I'll grab you one right now.
Hi, this is Don Zajac, the Food and Beverage Director here at the Carrington, and we have Kiki put in orders, but I wanted to give you a little show of what we do here at the Carrington to provide meals. I'll give you a little kitchen tour. We're going to stop by the dish area, just to give you an idea. And we will next come around to the service area where we see staging for your meals tonight. We have this area over here where we package up your to-goes and your deliveries.
I'm not sure. I've been up here.
This is the whole area that we have to push out 100 plus to-go meals every meal period. So we're a little bit challenged, but we make the best of what we have.
All right.
And here we come on Chef Brandon. Chef Brandon, can we have a minute of your time and you can tell us what's going on here?
Of course, I'm Sous Chef Brandon with the Carrington. Tonight we have our dinner service going on. We serve over 400 residents in independent living and assisted living. We have a really busy service tonight. If you want to follow me down here, this is our to-go area. We put out over 150 carryouts per meal service. We try to get the food accurate and hot to you all every night. We are expecting to have an extremely busy night. We're just at the beginning of our service, so I should probably hop back into the food. Thank you.
Thanks, Chef.
Yep.
And we'll take you to the back prep area. And we have staff getting fruit and things like that ready for you. Always cut fresh, not store-bought, not prepackaged. Cutting the lettuce from scratch.
They just let me know like 3 minutes ago, man. So.
Freshness for you guys is our priority. This is the back area of our dry storage. I'll give you a little glimpse to our walk-in cooler. This is predominantly our dairy cooler. This is our meat cooler. And again, more dried storage area. So I hope you've enjoyed a little tour of the kitchen, and I will have sheets available at the concierge desk to give you an in-house tour.